In this video, I'm going to be giving you the chance to win a DJI Mini 4 Pro with the RCN2 controller. All the details of exactly how you can win this fantastic prize coming right up. So I think we can all agree that the DJI Mini 4 Pro is one of the best mini drones on the market today, and I want to give you the opportunity to potentially win one, but this isn't going to be something that is just a simple competition. Oh no, you're going to have to work for this one. The reason for this is quite simply because at the end of the day, you know, this channel is a hobby for me, and most importantly, I just wanted to give something back to the community, those of you that have supported me all the way up to 30,000 subscribers. So whilst this channel does not earn me the millions or even thousands that I think many of you think it does, I just wanted to give something back. Now I have to give a big shout out to this video's sponsor, CoverDrone. Many of you know that I've been affiliated with CoverDrone for quite some time, but they have agreed to basically contribute a big chunk of the payment towards being able to give this prize away. So of course, if you do have an insurance policy already, you will know how good service they already have. If you're thinking about getting one, I will leave a link in the video description where you can go get a quote for yourself, or indeed if your DJI Care refresh is due to end, again you can visit the link in the video description to go get a quote. So how do you win this prize? Well, I've invented something called the GAVINHR Quick Shot Challenge. Previously on my channel, I've shown how you can use quick shots to get some absolutely fantastic results, but the whole point and something I want to show on my channel is how you should be able to master these quick shots yourself using manual flying, purely because you get so much more satisfaction, and of course it's always good to learn how to control your drone properly. So here is how it works. What you need to do is take your drone, I do not care what brand it is, as long as it's got the quick shot feature. All you need to do is select a target and one of the pre-built quick shots into your drone. What you then do is execute a quick shot, and this is where the skill comes in. What you then need to do is replicate that quick shot using manual flying. Now hopefully by taking part in this competition, you'll become a much better drone pilot, because this is going to teach you how to manage your speed, your gimbal control and everything all in one. Something I really want to promote on my channel. Now this is going to also teach you how to edit videos, because the way that this is going to work to ensure you don't cheat is because I don't want to see the final outcome from the quick shot. I want to see a screen recording. Now most mobile phones do have a screen recorder built in. If not, you can go to the Play Store, and I recommend this X Recorder, which I have used on my videos in the past, and it works really well. So this is going to teach you how to put all of those into one video, and also the way this works is I want you to be able to upload your challenge to YouTube. So this is all going to teach you to showcase your work as well. Now because this is a celebration of reaching that 30,000 subscriber milestone, where I basically started this channel on the banks of the Humber with this guy right here, the DJI Mavic Mini. This is basically a little attempt by myself at shooting a rocket quick shot, of course with the DJI Mavic Mini doing it, and then of course me doing it by manual flying. And of course I wouldn't expect you to do something that I'm not going to do myself. So this is how I want you to take part then. Go out, film a quick shot, copy it using manual flying, edit that video of the two screen recordings into one video, upload it to YouTube, and in the YouTube title I want you to put hashtag GAVINHR Quick Shot Challenge, and then also post it in the video comments to this video, so of course I can see it. Any winners will basically need to be subscribed to the channel, and of course please do like the video as well, and of course please do share this on social media just so the word gets out, because this is something I really wanted to do, just to raise awareness and get basically everybody involved in the community. So that's how you can win the DJI Mini 4 Pro on this channel. Any questions, of course, please do post them in the video comment section below. I'll hopefully be able to answer them. I look forward to seeing your entries. The winner will be announced on the 1st of February, so you have exactly 1 month, and of course the better you do, the more interesting the subject, the bigger the chance you will win. Until next time, thank you very much for watching. See you again soon.